Hello, everybody. So this session is about the big IP deployment methods. So it is one of the advanced topics. Okay. So there are some types of big IP deployment method that is 1R, 2R, and in path. So in this session, we'll try to see 1R deployment and 2R deployment. Okay. So what is 1R deployment, guys? Basically, deployment is the we can say like it is a physical layout of our big IP devices. We generally design in our company, right? So basically, it is a physical layout. Okay. So it is very, very important to understand if you are designing your network, right? So in case of one app deployment, guys, if the virtual server and the backend pool members, the part of the same billion, so that generally indicate one app deployment. Okay. So let me explain. So this is the user is seated on the internet, we can say, okay. And what will be the source? So source will be 172.16.101.5. And what is the destinations? 10.10.10.101.100. Okay. If this traffic coming to the load balancers, okay. Source will be, guys, 172.16.101.5 and destination will be the backend server 10.10.10.101.103. Okay. When this backend server is sending reply, it will send to this IP 172.16.101.5. This is not a part of same billion. Okay. So TCP will never complete it. Okay. So in this case, generally, guys, this server is going to send the traffic to the default route, whatever configure default route. Generally, we configure default route on the backend server. Okay. So if there is no any route for any specific traffic, it is going to send that traffic to the default route, right? Generally, router we can consider. And the router will send to this traffic to the client source. So it will create asymmetry, right? TCP handshake will not complete in this case, correct? So how we can avoid this? So we can avoid with the help of SNAT or Automate. So in case of SNAT, it is going to use when traffic coming to the F5, F5 is going to be used as a source 10.10.10.10.100 and destination as a backend server. Now backend server has visibility. Okay, what is default gateway? What is the gateway for this traffic? 10.10.10.101.100, and then it will send traffic to the client. So this is how we can avoid asymmetric. This is how we can do our TCP handshake properly. We can say like how our TCP handshake will done, we can say like TCP handshake done properly. So this is how we can avoid like TCP handshake or problem or asymmetric routing problem. So this is about 1R deployment, guys. Okay. What is 2R deployment? So in case of 2R deployment, like virtual servers and backend pool members, both are on different billions. Okay. So when traffic coming from internet, this is the source, and what is destination? 172.16.101.11. Okay. And when a pipe is going to be communicated with backend server, what will be the source? 172.16.101.5. And it is going to reply back to this. So both are part of different billions. It did not create asymmetric. But how we can create asymmetric in case of 2R deployment, guys? For examples, maybe default route configure on this backend server towards some another routers. Okay, so this backend server is going to send traffic to this router and then it will send to the source. So in that case, again, we need to use SNAT or Automate. Okay, so this is about 1R deployment and 2R deployment in a five load balancer, guys. Okay, so that's it. I hope this session has been informative for everybody. If you like the course, please like, share, subscribe, share this video to needy people, the people who are searching good content in free. Okay, let's meet on the next session, guys, with some new topics, new contents, and have a nice day. Thank you very much, everybody.